this tutorial we will learn basics of Linux. This is for very beginner, the people who want to learn Linux. This is for them to understand some basics. So basically we have to learn how to create a file, how to create a directory, something. This is very beginner I am showing you. If you want to create a file, you have to type a command touch and file name. So now I type touch and file, and this is file name. You can write anything here, is fine, and press enter. File is created. How to see file is created? Type ls. See, file is created. How to understand it is file? You have to type ls. ls means list. This is long list, and press enter. So we see many information here. We will learn this. This is one. We have to learn this. This is one part. This is one part, and this is date, time. So you see here left side. This is hyphen. This is blank. This is blank. It is a file. And if we create a directory, we have to type mkdir. This is the command, make directory. Mkdir directory. Type a directory name. Let's say test is the directory. How to see it is created? ls-l. You can see now differences that file, this is, here is blank, and here is test is our directory, and here is D. D means here is this directory. Here the screen, see it again, long list, this L is long, this ls means list and long list. Now we see we have created file and we have created directory. Is it clear? How to create a file and how to create a directory in Linux. This is very basic. Now you have to practice. If you want to create more file, you can create touch, file name. Let's say file name is dog. ls-l. We want to see if it is created. We see the dog is created. You see here dog is also here is empty. Okay. Now if you want to write something in the file, what you have to do? Let's say we have this is our file and directory. We want to write something inside dog. So we will use a editor. Nano is an editor. We type the nano editor. Okay, and type, let's say file name dog. If I press enter, I will enter in this dog file. Now I am inside the dog file. Okay, here you can write anything. Okay, this dog name is Harry. Okay, fine. How to save? Here you can see here it is written Control O. If you press Control O, then press enter, it will save. You see file name to write dog at the bottom. You see, now press enter, Control O, then press enter. Now how to exit from the file? Control X. You see is the exit. Control X. I am now out from this file. Okay, now how to see if there is something I typed in the file dog. So this is a command cat to see the content dog. So you can see that inside we type something, it is there. Okay, this is our file. How to see it? Cat. Okay, and how to edit this file or do something? Nano. Already we have one line. Harry is a faster dog. Okay, how to save it? Control O, enter, done. Control X. ls, this is our file cat want to see the content. This is our content. So basically what we have learned here, how to create a file, you have to use command touch, how to create a directory, make directory, and nano is the editor to use to this to edit something. Now if I want to delete file, rm remove, rm means remove file name dog. It is asking remove regular file, type y mean yes, ls dog is gone. Now type rm file, type y yes, ls. So only we have now directory is test. How to delete this directory, rm, we can try this way, test, see what happens. It is saying it is a directory. You cannot do it this way. We can do it rm minus f, raf. F means force. It is also saying it will not remove. So use another command. It is deleted. Recursive R. Okay, right now you just need to know this. I will explain this later, not in this video. So basically, how to create a file. To create a file, use touch file. To create a directory, make directory. This is ls minus l. We can see that file and directory created. How to delete rm minus rm file, type y. It is deleted. File is deleted. Now delete the directory. Type rm this parameter and test, then enter. So all deleted. This is some basic about the first basic part of the how to create a file directory. For beginner, it is very good to understand and practice. Thank you.